Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me and also in my monthly pages. So this time we're going to be playing around with the November Cute Kit, and this is what it looks like. So you have the same format, the side bar, the date covers or date cover strips, and then you have boxes at the bottom, and then you also get the bottom bar boxes. A few build you, some script stickers, and then lines for blocking off days. So we are going to be doing it here, and I am using my matte paper this time. So we have two types of paper finish. We have the glossy and we have the matte. The matte is bleached white, as you can see, and for the matte it is actually ideal if you are using ballpoint pens and such like. Ballpoint pens as well as gel pens. While the glossy version is for fountain pens. Well, you can also use ballpoint and gel pens on the glossy paper, but for matte paper, then you should grab well, if you're using only ballpoint pens, then the matte is what you should grab. Ballpoint and gels. Okay, I forgot to put this away. There you go. So for this box, you just align it with the line at the corner and it'll fit perfect. And then I will also take the other one and put it here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my day covers. One for each side of the page, the right and the left. Here you go. And then we're just gonna go ahead and, oh my gosh, this is looking so pretty already. So cute. Why would you not? Okay, I'm gonna put this in December. So my hedgehog is in fact a spring start. I actually like spring starts better, but I did get a Hobonichi Weeks that is starting in January. I'm gonna show you what I got soon when I show you, or rather when I start filming for my Black Friday series, and it's gonna be a video every day basically is what's gonna happen, and I am very excited for that. I am actually planning it right now, what type of videos I want to show you. So days leading up to Black Friday. Black Friday is on the 23rd. Days leading up to that, we will be posting videos from I think the 16th or the 17th. And there's going to be a video every day, so that you can choose right away which kits you would like to get. And I'm also going to demo a few of them. Mind that I don't have my A6 yet, because I really want that to have a spring start. And also Dilemma, I'm thinking of getting either an AVAC or that Bear A6 book. I'm only gonna get a book. I'm not gonna get the cover, because I already have a cover. I am still very much in love with my Poe cover. So the Poe cover is the one with the cat. And when it came out, I was just so in love, so I had to get it. I just had to get it. And I got one. I'll show you that when I decide what I'm gonna get. If I'm gonna get an A6 AVAC or... So an AVAC is 2 books. That split, well, it's the year split into 2. And it's much thinner, so that when it becomes really chunky because of use, then it won't get as chunky as a full year of an original or an A6. but I also really like that little touch of bear in the bear one. So I'm so confused about what to get. I still have time, so it's not an immediate decision that I need to make. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love the cute kit. Though for November, I think the geometric one is prettier. I like that better because that's my favorite of all the kits. The monthly kits that I've ever made. The November is my favorite, and then this one is also really cute. It is called cute. So these are the other cute kits until August. Yeah, August is when this came out, or rather June was it? Yeah, July is when we got it released, the first kits, and we're gonna release the next batch for 2019 again on Black Friday. So I just took that big box from here to here, and then I'm gonna take this bear and put him here. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's too cute. I honestly think this is too cute. That is what we have. And then I'm gonna take this bear, the smaller box of a bear, and I'm gonna put it here. I think that's crooked, but okay, that's fine. It's fine with me. There you go. So this is my school planner. That's why I'm not using a lot of this, but I will be using deadline because I do have a deadline on the 5th. And then I'm gonna do Happy Day on the 16th. And then I'm gonna do Payday also, which I think is on the 12th. It depends. So this is still has a lot of stuff, a lot of stickers, and I'm gonna be saving that for the month. And this is a true empty. There's nothing on it, which is following our shop philosophy of no sticker left behind. And this is what we have. It's super cute, guys. So let me go ahead and scoot you over, and let's take a look at this pretty spread. I think this one is a killer. This just made the entire kit. I wonder what this says. If you know what that says, and this one too, you can comment it down below. It's super cute. Oh, and this is from my friend Craft with Undomesticated Diva. Hello Mitzi, she's on IG. Thank you very much. And so this is our spread. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel, PÄPERJOYPH, and we are also on Facebook and Instagram. They are both PÄPERJOYPH. Also, if you want some insider stuff, go ahead and join our Facebook group, PÄPERJOYPH Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!